Now, we should ask the question absolutely straight tonight. Sushil Pandit and Advaita Kala, I do not understand why people have to wave a Palestinian flag during Eid celebrations. I am going to go case by case by case. There is a Eid celebration and you are waving a Palestinian flag. This is what happened in Saharanpur. The visuals are on your screen. I hope you are seeing it, Tariq Lari. ये सारे यहाँ पे ईद के सेलिब्रेशन के दौरान ये फिलिस्तीन का फ्लैग लहराना, ये क्या हो रहा है? Why is this happening? And it's being done everywhere now. Why?
क्या फिलिस्तीन का फ्लैग लहराना संविधान में मना है? मना तो है नहीं भाई। और भारत सरकार भी फिलिस्तीन के लोगों के साथ खड़ी है। आप किस बेस पे कह रहे हैं कि यह इलीगल हुआ और वो एसपी किस बेस पे कह रहा है कि वो मुकदमा करेगा? किस बेस पे? साथ में ये भी दिखाइए कि इंडियन फ्लैग भी वेव हो रहा है, दैट इंडिया इज विद द फिलिस्तीन पीपल. सो व्हाट्स द हैसल इन दैट? Why are you provoking everyone?
It's a clear violation. 1 minute. It's a clear violation. First of all, don't shout. Don't shout. I'm not shouting.
No, I'm not shouting.
Don't shout. Don't raise your voice. I also can. I don't want to. I'll tell you now. Now you made a point. I'll make a counterpoint to you. You listen to me. Because the people out there would be having Indian passports. Therefore, according to the Indian flag code, no flag can be higher than the Indian flag. I can see in the pictures there, Sushil Pandit, a direct attempt to wave the Palestinian flag high. And why the Palestinian flag? Why not the flag of Denmark or Iceland or America? What is this love? That means you're identifying, these are the same people who speak, who say, I'm unwilling to accept it. You cannot have the Palestinian flag in my country. End of story. Sushil Pandit, बहुत democracy हो गई, बहुत ज़्यादा democracy हो रही है.
Thank you for having me on this show. Today is the first Navratra and it's also the Navre, the New Year celebration for Kashmiri community, ushering in the new year, 36th year in a row outside our homes, outside of Kashmir, from where we were brutally, violently cleansed. And these foreign flags are not something new that we see. In Kashmir, we were witness to Pakistani flags. We were witness to Azad Kashmir flags. We were witness to all kinds of flags, even ISIS flags. And that too after the Jummah Namaz and Eid celebrations from the Eidgah. So this is nothing new. But what is new is that when they succeeded in Kashmir, they succeeded in cleansing us, and Indian state could do nothing but watch, couldn't punish, couldn't reverse our genocide. This jihad is now spreading in every nook and corner of the country because it has succeeded in its experiment in Kashmir and is now trying to expand and push the envelope elsewhere in India. That's number one.
I want to give one more example.
Two, the accompanying violence.
Sushil, I'll tell you about the violence. I'll tell you about the violence. I want to give an example of violence. ये देखिए, मलाड के विजुअल में, मुंबई की मलाड की पठानवाड़ी रीजन से है. These visuals should be played, viewers. This is during Gudi Padwa. A few boys are coming there. They are provoking nobody.
Arnab,
they are provoking nobody. Let me just tell our viewers what we are seeing here. Let me describe. Look at the picture. They are provoking nobody. They are going there. इनके हाथ में एक saffron flag है. देखिए, ये हमेशा दूसरों की sensitivities के बारे में बोलते हैं. नागपुर में कहा कि हरा झंडा लहराया गया, हमारे हरे झंडे को किसी ने टारगेट किया तो हम वहां पे प्रोवोक हो गए. ये देखिए, रन द विजुअल. ये देखिए, वहां पे एक भगवा झंडे को किस तरह से वहां पे चीरा जा रहा है वहां पे, और वहां पे 12, 13, 14 साल के बच्चे हैं. एंड हाउ दे आर बीइंग टारगेटेड. व्हाई? टू इंडिविजुअल्स से जय श्री राम. Wherever there are less Muslims and more Muslims, why are the non-Muslims being attacked? Advaita, are you seeing this? There is no ground for provocation out here.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आवाज आ जाएगी.
अर्नब भाई,
There is
आवाज
no
नहीं आ रही
ground
है.
for provocation in Malad.
Madam, should I respond to your question?
No, somebody is coming back from a Kalash Yatra. Two children, they say Jai Shri Ram. उन पे टूट पड़ो, उनको मारो, उनको फिजिकली असॉल्ट करो.
Foreign numbers.
एंड देन हम सवाल पूछेंगे तो आप कहेंगे कि सेक्युलरिज्म कहां गई आपकी.
No voice is coming, dear.
Advaita, I want to run the
Voice is
visuals
not-
while I'm talking about this. Producers.
You know, it's absolutely horrible, Arnab. On a
I want
day
to run
like
the
today,
visuals.
when we should be wishing people, celebrating, and and promoting communal amity. To see young children, 14-year-old boys, being thrashed, and
Look at that.
when they're also
Show her
celebrating their
in the
festival,
small window, if possible, direct.
And it's exceedingly tragic that this is what we have to witness. I mean, we've been witnessing this during Ram Navami processions and Hindu celebrations very often. But now we're seeing this kind of exertion and this sort of bullying attitude on the streets, even during happy festivals. And this is hugely worrisome and something that we cannot ignore and must not ignore, because it has the potential to become a terrible flashpoint when it comes to communal amity. And whether it's Noor,
I put questions,
Haryana, or
elements,
whether it's
windows.
in
Should I
Kharagpur
respond?
with the Palestinian flag, which is frankly just a pure assertion of the political aspect of Islam,
No top
which
ban,
is really
no window,
not
no question.
necessary to have that kind of assertion, that political assertion and the political nature of Islam, which is not required on the day of a festival. And what kind of message does it give to other people is something very problematic. And I'm sorry, these 14-year-olds
See-
get thrashed. Unforgivable. Even if the other incidents can be debated, this one is just unforgivable.
No, there's no debate here. There are children who are 12, 13, 14-year-old. They are participating in Kalash Yatra, right? And what has Sanjay Nirupam said? Sanjay Nirupam said, हिंदू बच्चे हाथ में भगवा झंडा लेकर जा रहे थे, उनसे भगवा छीना. और अभी now we will be told by the secular lobby, don't talk, don't talk, don't talk. हिंदुओं को मारो तो ठीक है, सेक्युलरिज्म के नाम पे चुप रहिए. No, you support this. I'm sure Tariq Lari will support this also. You are muted. Ahmed Ayaz. Ahmed Ayaz.
I tell you, Arnab, basically, as long as
Your
this
voice is not coming. किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है इसमें.
protesting or
Visuals.
supporting Palestinian, it could be a different issue, because that is an
Top bands.
oppressed and humanitarian issue or there. So that could be one reason. It's almost worldwide people support that cause almost, and even in India there is nothing against nation, its own nation. It is in support of
I'll
them
bring
that
the
people
issue
are
down since you want to
gathering,
complicate it. I don't have that kind of time.
the
The issue is simple. Issue is simple. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I am not of a view. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Anything wrong?
1 minute.
So far as the communal issues are concerned, the way today some protests have taken place, somebody wearing black badges, etc. Basically, you must realize.
I'm not talking about that. That's
these are
debate too. I'll deal with it
these
when I
are
come. No, I won't
debates.
understand.
These are
Ahmed Ayaz, I'll reduce your volume. I want to talk about mob violence in this first part. I would request the pictures to be played, the top bands to be ready, the visuals to be played, and the bottom grid, everything to be played. Because I want this to be an interactive program. The question is this. What happened in Darbhanga? Let me now play the visuals of Darbhanga. In Darbhanga, Bihar, right? A religious group returning from a religious gathering is targeted and there is stone pelting on them. This incident of the visuals I'm showing here today, what is this about stone pelting? What is this about groups of Muslims coming together and pelting stones on everyone? Why?
I tell you.
No, why? What is this anger? किस पे गुस्सा है भाई?
The British rulers, it was happening in British. They began with it. That's what we are carrying, perhaps by divide and rule. I think it is like that the communal and these issues look to be very sensitive to Britishers.
I'm sorry, this is a rubbish argument. Please understand the country has been free for a long time. I don't know about people like you who support Palestine and target India.
It's a normal thing.
It doesn't make sense to me.
Wearing a black.
What is the 1 minute. Every time you say my religious sentiments are hurt. 1 minute, sir.
Anyone would like to protest
Ahmadiyas, I've heard you.
and show anger.
I'm angry too
or show resentment.
at what I see.
So that should be, that is.
Well, Hindu religious period is also going on. Are you saying that Hindus cannot celebrate in this country?
Force or any.
Hindus can't celebrate Gudi Padwa?
See that people don't protest if they mean to raise some voice, they mean to raise some issue, there should not be an issue. Here you have to understand why are Muslims made to protest on and
What is the protest here? By wherever there are groups of Muslims who gather after Friday prayers or after these kind of religious incidents, why do they fight? Why do they throw stones? Why do they attack others? It's a religious festival.
Eye opener, very clear.
It's a religious festival. Why can't you celebrate happily?
Then that's
Why
what I
target
say.
others?
People did not.
Advaita is on the other side. She should be on the left.
Protesting what they meant to protest earlier. Now that
Thank you.
gone,
Advaita.
Why tell stones on people when they are protesting? Well, like what happened in Nagpur. So you have the right to protest, but if someone else protests like in Nagpur, then you'll pelt stones on them. This stone pelting cannot be signed off as some kind of historical legacy. It's violent. It causes serious harm. It has caused grave injuries. These stones are collected. They are used in a premeditated manner. We've seen this in incident after incident. They are sharpened for maximum impact, and it has achieved maximum impact where it's cracked open skulls, and yet it keeps happening over and over again. We cannot look at this as some form of protest. It's mob violence, plain and simple. And when there is access to guns, like there was in one of these protests, there's gunfire.
Someone tell me. So many people in PCR, nobody can tell me.
As a peaceful protest to show their resentment, and then in between
violent escalation. And why can we not recognize this as a country, as a community? Why can we not understand that this is very dangerous?
It was a peaceful protest. They were wearing black badges. They should not have been disturbed. When people were seen wearing black badges, then they were disturbed.
I'm talking about the fact that people are attacking 14-year-old children.
No, I think I'll make the issue very straight now. 1 minute. See, Ahmadiyas, we want communal harmony. We want communal amity. We want Hindus and Muslims to stay in peace. Hindus are 82% of the population of this country. 1 minute. Hindu shops can't be targeted. Listen to me, don't shout. Hindu shops can't be targeted. Policemen can't be stoned. Cricket celebrations cannot be targeted. Hindus celebrating Ram Navami cannot be attacked. You can't have rules saying these are Muslim areas, idhar mat aao. This idea of Muslim areas where Hindus cannot go, cannot be allowed. Why were the children beaten in Malad? Why were the children beaten in Malad? Why were 12-year-old children beaten in Malad?
It has always been there. They have been always playing. Divide the people and rule. This is what's happening. Otherwise, what's the reason for communal clashes in the country?
See,
why there should be a Hindu-Muslim?
See, after this, if the police hits back, the same people will say, हमारे human rights पे target हो रहा है. After this, if Yogi says, मुझे पुलिस के माध्यम से और सुरक्षा बलों को बहुत कड़ी वहां पे निगरानी रखनी पड़ेगी उन पे, तो बोलेंगे अभी हमारे ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेट हो गए. अब डिसाइड करो ना.
Muslim constructions.
Sushil Pandit.
Why are the only Muslim constructions illegal in country?
Arnab, the violence, the aggression can only be explained as a tactic to browbeat people into submission, to scare them into submission, into surrender, into withdrawal.
Partner spelling.
Psychological tactic, and you mustn't forget, India was partitioned through such violence.
ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है.
We have been warned. Akbaruddin Owaisi said, remove the police for only 15 minutes and we will show you. So threat of violence, indulgence in violence, unleashing aggression is only to browbeat people, peaceful people, reasonable people into submission, into scare. It is to scare them.
Pelting stones and they are doing violence.
It is to dominate
What
them.
is the cause of violence? Can you tell me that?
Psychologically
Can you tell me the
pulverize
reason
them.
of violence?
It is to threaten them and threaten their women folk, threaten their peaceful life, threaten their homes and businesses by aggression, by indulging in
Louder
violence,
to Tariq Lari.
by indulging in violent
Sir,
rhetoric.
he's
Keep
talking
directing.
utter nonsense. Every action has an opposite and equal reaction. This was the reaction. Why was it? क्या किसी को पागल कुत्ते ने काट लिया था कि वहां वायलेंस हो रहा था? नहीं, किसी ने कुछ ना कुछ हरकत की होगी।
क्या हरकत
किसी
की
ने
12 साल के बच्चे ने मलाड में?
Violence
क्या हरकत की थी मलाड में? क्या हरकत की थी दरभंगा में? क्या हरकत की थी नूह में? क्या हरकत की थी दिनाजपुर में? क्या हरकत की थी?
नमाज लोगों के ऊपर
आप मुझे बताइए, आप ये बताइए, नूह में जहां पे दो मुस्लिम गुटों के बीच में लड़ाई हुई, वहां पे किसने क्या हरकत की? हरकत की जरूरत होती है क्या? जब आदमी हिंसा करना चाहता है तो करता है हरकत। क्या हरकत?
हिंसा को तर्कसंगत नहीं ठहराया।
Arnab, are you insane?
Sushil Pandit.
No. I think you are a sensible man. You know that there has to be a reason.
1 minute,
But you are not telling the reason.
Tariq, 1 minute. Now you listen to me.
Violence.
You listen to me. Tariq, listen to me. 1 minute. I want everyone to calm down for a minute. And I'll ask one question. So the question is asked to Harkat, which means एक मिनट अहमद रियाजी 2 मिनट चुप हो जाइए। मैं कहता हूं कि दिनाजपुर में दो मुस्लिम गुटों के बीच में जिस तरह से हिंसा हुई, उसमें किसी हिंदू ने हरकत की? क्या हरकत की जरूरत होती है? कोई मन बना ले कि आज हमको मारना है, पत्थरबाजी करनी है, लोगों को मारना है तो मारेगा। दिनाजपुर में दो मुस्लिम गुटों पे हुआ, के बीच में हुई। नूह में, हरियाणा में, गुड़गांव से थोड़ी दूर में ये दो मुस्लिम गुटों में हुई। किसने हरकत की? किसने हरकत की? आप 12 साल के बच्चे पर इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं, आपको शर्म नहीं आती?
दोनों में से एक ग्रुप
12 साल के बच्चे पर इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं आप।
दोनों में से एक ग्रुप ने तो की होगी, कुछ ना कुछ हरकत दोनों ग्रुप में से एक ने की होगी।
आक्रामकता,
जिस पे ये चीज
aggression
हुआ,
is
Stop
in
this
the
mob
mindset.
violence.
कि वहां पे
We reclaim our country, ladies and gentlemen.
सबको काट लिया।
We reclaim our country.
पागल कुत्ते तो घूम नहीं रहे थे भाईजान, कि वहां पे पागल कुत्ते घूम रहे हो, सबको घूम घूम के काट लिए हो, कि सब जो डंडा उठा
अपने
That is a
Advaita Kala.
Muslim area. What
Advaita.
happened in Noor Haryana,
not possible.
who was creating issues over there? I mean, this is the issue. You know, we turn away from this kind of violent behavior. Arnab, do you know, and people don't want to buy land close to Noor in Haryana because of all of this, because of this kind of violence that
I
keeps
know.
flaring up. Haryana, peaceful state. This is the one region which has all this kind of violence, and it's predominantly Muslim. Now, let's not turn away from facts. Who provoked them there? Nobody. So I think it's very important that law and order is maintained.
No, I would also say, do Hindus have sensitivities? दरभंगा में दुर्गा माँ की मंदिर से वापस आ रहे वहां पे जितने वहां पे श्रद्धालु हैं, उन पर पत्थरबाजी हो रही है, क्योंकि हमारे देश में अब बोला जाएगा कि दरभंगा में कोई दुर्गा माँ के मंदिर में जाए तो पत्थरबाजी होगी, हिंसा होगी, गोली चलाई जाएगी। नहीं, ये इम्पॉसिबल क्या है? What do you mean impossible? Why are you being biased and prejudiced? What do you mean impossible? What do you mean impossible? Take that back. Is it impossible? What Kashmiri Pandits thrown out of Kashmir, is that impossible? Is Sushil Pandit still a refugee out of his own land today? Is it impossible?
जरूर कुछ कहानी
जरूर सुशील पंडित और कश्मीरी पंडितों ने की उसकी होगी ना? Impossible.
This is called victim bashing. This is called victim blaming. This is called rationalizing violence. You will not address the reason for aggression in your mind, aggression in your behavior. You will always find a blame for someone else, especially the victim. आप हमेशा पीड़ितों को दोषी ठहराएंगे, आप हमेशा विक्टिम बैशिंग करेंगे, आप ब्लेम शिफ्टिंग करेंगे, लेकिन आप अंदर नहीं झांकेंगे, आप अपना बिहेवियर नहीं देखेंगे। लगातार आप हिंसा और आक्रामक करते होते आ
रहे हैं।
Guest
ready? Yeah.
There is violence and aggression in the behavior, Arnab. And this behavior has been rewarded or appeased. It has never been questioned or challenged and punished. That is the reason it is increasing. When we appease violence, when we appease aggression, when we reward it with success, we will see more of it. And that is what is happening. It has happened in Kashmir. It is spreading all over India now. There is no other explanation for this.
You are a fool,
get away with
nothing
it.
else. I can't
Always,
answer your question
and every time.
because you are a foolish man who's talking foolish nonsense thing. I cannot answer it. You are a foolish man, nothing
He
else.
has no answer.
Nothing more to your question.
Riot after
You are
riot.
a foolish man. I know you
Incident
are a foolish man
after
and liar.
incident.
You are the biggest liar, I know that.
They have been
You are a
itching
foolish
for
man,
unleashing
nothing else.
violence.
Wearing a bloody chaddi over here and talking
Hold
nonsense.
everything hostage to this violence.
Chaddi gang. Oh, come on, shut up, man. You are a bloody chaddi gang, nothing else.
Hey, please control your language. What do you mean talking like that? If anybody refers to you in half that kind of
He's
pejorative
talking
language
nonsense.
that you did,
He
you
is
would say that
talking nonsense. No, he's
anti-Muslim
talking nonsense.
language. How dare you talk to him like that? Because he's a Hindu, you'll talk to him in any language you want. You'll attack a Hindu, call him Chaddi Gang.
जो देश में
I won't tell you what you are. Thank you very much. Tariq Lari, you crossed the limit today. You crossed the limit today. You should apologize before I go.
Crossing the limit. He
I
is
don't
crossing the
expect any
limit. and
better
you are
from him.
crossing The limit. There has to be an
He is
action
one of
reaction.
them.
ये मालूम है
He
आपको.
will always justify
कोई ना कोई
them.
कहानी होगी, उस
He will
कहानी को आप
always
छुपा रहे हैं.
justify violence and
You are
aggression.
nonsense.
He will
Come on,
always
you are a
rationalize
liar.
it. And he
Come
will
on, you are a
always
liar.
blame
I
the
don't want to
victim.
talk to you.
He
No,
will
no, you
never,
are a liar. I don't
ever
want to talk to
look
you.
inwards. I
Sir,
don't
you are a
expect any
liar.
fairness
You
or
are the
reason from him.
biggest liar.
I
आप
don't even
सबसे
expect decent
बड़े
language from
खुराफाती
him.
आदमी है इस दुनिया के
It is beyond
जो
him.
इस देश को
And
अनरेस्ट
he is
करना
the true
चाहते हैं,
specimen.
जो
He
इस
is the
देश
true
की पीस को
representative
डिस्टर्ब
of the
करना
mobs
चाहते हैं.
that we are discussing.
आप इस देशद्रोही
He
हैं.
represents it.
You are
He
a
is the mob.
देशद्रोही. You are a traitor. You are a traitor. You are doing treason over here. आप लोगों को भड़का रहे हैं. उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं कहूंगा. You are the biggest liar. You are
ये
talking nonsense.
हमेशा
You are a
सच को
foolish man, dear.
यरगमाल
You
रखने
are
के
a
लिए बात
foolish
करते
man.
हैं. ये कभी
Sir,
सच
I
सुनना
know
नहीं
you are a
चाहते,
foolish man.
कभी
Don't
सच
show
से
it
आंखें
on the
नहीं मिला
TV.
सकते,
Don't
ये
show it on
केवल
the
और केवल
TV.
आरोप लगाते
Your
हैं.
relative must be thinking that you are a foolish man.
Yeah,
They know
somebody
you
should
are a
tell me.
foolish man.
इनके
I know
बस
you
की
are
और
a
कुछ
foolish
नहीं.
man.